สวัสดีค่ะ Hello guys, welcome to Gaikoku Mama Kitchen Thai Home Kitchen in Japan. You are here with me, Suda, and my little girl, baby Demi, and her friends, baby Sunny. What I'm gonna show you today is this. I got a pumpkin from our mother student. She gave this to us like a week ago, so so cute. So what I'm gonna show you today is in Thai is Thai sweet. In Thai we call สังขยาฟักทอง สังขยา is custard and ฟักทอง is pumpkin, so it's custard in pumpkin. Maybe it can be an idea for you guys for Halloween party. So let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to cut pumpkin. First, you have to clean the pumpkin because we're gonna use whole pumpkin. Well cleaning, well washing. Use the sharp knife. Be careful because pumpkin is really hard to cut, so be careful. I already make the guideline. Always put your hand opposite side with the sharp side of the knife. It takes a while because it's very hard, this pumpkin. Hey, here we go. Just like this. For this part, we just cut it, and inside clean it up. Take seed and screen. So we're gonna clean in and out one more time. Let it dry. Today I'm gonna make two pumpkin. This one I cut this morning. So for a custard part, today I use eggs. Yeah, chicken egg is okay. Usually in Thailand, if we make a sweet, we use like a duck egg. So, but here I cannot get. I don't know where I can get duck egg in Japan, so I use chicken eggs. That's okay too. And is 200 gram of plum sugar and 250 ml of coconut milk. We also use pandan leaf. Demi, no. This how we make. This how we make. We do like this. As I said, in Thailand we usually use the duck egg instead of chicken eggs because it gives more like a colors, like a fresh color. I think, yeah. Plum sugar, coconut milk. Pandan leaf is working as the vanilla essence. Yeah, give like a smell, good smell. But in Thailand, in Thai sweets, we often use the pandan. And now we're gonna squeeze it. We're gonna squeeze until the plum sugar is dissolved. It's gonna look like this. we will fill it with the filters. We don't trade food, okay? There is no toy. We're gonna fill this to like remove the panda leaf, contaminate and egg and so on. So to make like our custard more smooth, I use the kitchen like a cooking cheese. Coat like this. If you don't have white coat like this, you can use like a very fine filter. That's okay too. Just try to avoid like a bubble and contaminate from like when we squeeze the ingredient mix of ingredients. Here is our custard after fill. So now I gonna fill the custard into into pumpkin. So before you put the pumpkin in the steamer, please put it in the bowl like this. Is something that is like a high heat resistant because we're gonna steam for like about 45 minutes to hours, and our pumpkin is very soft to keep the pumpkin in the shape. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna fill in. Now our steamer is ready, so I'm gonna reduce the heat to medium to low heat of this, and then oh no, it's too big. So we have a little bit problem. Our pumpkin is too big, steamer is too small, so I cannot put anything under pumpkin. So I just put directly like to the steamer. I hope it's gonna be okay.
10 minutes left.
It's about 5 minutes left, so we're gonna shake. Oh my gosh. Oh no, the pumpkin is breaking. So first we shake the about the custard. Oh, it's okay now. It's cooked enough. It's a little bit like a break here, and the custard came out. Maybe it's okay. Let it cool down. Then we will shake. Okay, let's check it better. I worry about it. I worry a little bit, but maybe it's okay. It's not that bad. It still look good. Our pumpkin custard. The custard is sweet. The pumpkin is like reduced a little bit sweet from the custard. It's really good combination. Even the pumpkin is cracked a little bit, and the custard leak from the pumpkin, but still the custard in the pumpkin is very smooth. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy my cooking and want to see more the recipe that I'm gonna share with you guys, you can support me by subscribe my channel. See you next Thai delicious dish today. Bye bye.